People in Hampton Roads are irate over the death of 4-month-old Piper Malinsky from Smithfield. Her twin sister Ella is still in the hospital, and their parents are charged with abuse. Many people have posted their outrage on our Facebook page. Some have asked if the system failed and what's being done to make it better. Well, 10 on Your Side has reported for years now that Hampton Roads has a higher number of child abuse deaths than any other part of the state. 16 died from abuse in Hampton Roads last year and 16 the year before that. Nearly 200 children have died since the state started keeping records 15 years ago. And we get these numbers every year from a group called Prevent Child Abuse Hampton Roads. Today I went to their leader to find out why so many are still dying. Before Piper and Ella, there was Miracle and Heaven Smith. Norfolk twins starved to death by their parents. Experts say twins are at higher risks for abuse.
I mean, it's double the trouble or triple the trouble. And sometimes it's not intentional as much as it is just neglect because there's so much to take care of.
Betty Wade Coyle is executive director of Prevent Child Abuse Hampton Roads. We ask her why, when we know this, are so many babies still dying.
A lot of it we're finding this year is a lack of resources.
She says this is what it comes down to, and Governor Bob McDonnell has proposed even more cuts. He wants to eliminate $1 million in funding to child advocacy centers. In Hampton Roads, that's child abuse program at CHKD. It provides exams, therapy, forensic interviewing for police, and parenting evaluations.
There are a lot of countries in the world where kids are a high priority item, where parents are taught and supported through parenthood. And I don't think we do those in America very well anymore.
Wade Coyle points to Sweden as one example, where both working parents are entitled to more than a year of family leave. She encourages you to contact state and federal lawmakers to initiate change and to protect programs that protect children. And when you see a child or parent at risk, step out of your comfort zone.
When you're in the grocery store and see something going on, run up, empathize with the parents, diffuse the situation. The distraction generally stops the kid from crying.
Yeah, that may make you feel uncomfortable, but Wade Coyle says when you do it with a positive attitude and with empathy, then you've really sent home a message to that parent. And speaking of messages, a vigil for children who have died from child abuse is about to start in about 15 minutes at Old Dominion University. It's put on by a student group. On Wavy News 10 at 11, we'll show you their plans to protect children.